Hello everyone, welcome back to Technocrat NJ, and I'm Nana back with another video for you. Today I have brought the Minecraft hacks part 2, so let us start. First, let me tell you how you can create a chair with signs along with the stair. So first of all, you can take one stair and a sign. You could choose any out of these, and then you can place a stair, and on the sides you can place a sign, and it would look really good. Next, while you're creating any house, you can even make shutters. So for that, we can first lay out the foundation of the wall, and for making the shutters we require the trapdoors. So first, I'll just quickly make a small wall with 2-3 windows inside it. I'll remove this and I'll place some glass panes, and then you can use oak trapdoors at the side of the windows, which would look like shutters. You can even make a fridge by using iron block and iron door. So first, place the iron blocks and then stand on the blocks and place a door in front of it. But you cannot open it because it's an iron door. You can make some other kind of fridge which has a door which can open. Next, I'm going to tell you a very interesting way while you're making a city. You can use that for making the maybe city lights. So for that you have to take any plank, a stair, I'll take this one, a fence, I think we should take a spruce plank then, and a beacon. So first of all, we'll place the spruce plank like this, and then we'll place 2 fences upon it. For now, we'll place the spruce block and then 2 upside down stairs in this way, and now remove the spruce block and place beacon. So this is a very nice way for using it as sea lights. So this is a very interesting way by which you can decorate your city. You can even make it a bit bigger, but I have just shown you right now as an example. So if you think that again and again opening the inventory is really boring, so what you can do is middle click on your mouse to grab the things whatever you want. Like if I want this stair, I can middle click upon it and it comes in my inventory. That's really useful hack while you're building something in Minecraft. Let me tell you another way that you can make some decorations. So for that, we'll again take some block and again some fences, a hopper and a cauldron. This can be used as an entrance of some maybe palace. So first of all, we'll place the planks in this way, leaving a gap of 1, and then 2 spruce fences on each block, and then a hopper like this, and then spruce blocks on the hopper. And now you can remove this, and a hopper and a cauldron in the center. So that is a really impressive way to enter some kind of castle, and one will also be interested to know that what is inside. Now If you don't want to plant trees all around, what you can do is take an oak fence and some leaves. So first we'll place the oak fence and then 2 acacia leaves upon that, and you can even cover it with vines if you want, but I think it looks good like that. And then you can even make a bridge using campfires. So for that, first we'll take a campfire and then obviously the splash water bottle, and we'll even take oak fence and a flower pot. And obviously we require water also. And now we'll place the water in it, and then the campfires, and then the splash water bottle. And now the campfire has been extinguished, and then you can place some fences around with a pot upon it, so it would kind of look like it is a bridge. And let me tell that how you can create a swing, and you only require the fence and a trapdoor. For now I'm going to take a plank so that I can place the trapdoors. First of all, you have to place some fences around, and then bring it towards this side, and then bring it down. Then you have to bring the fence down. I think I could extend it for one more block. Yeah. And then an oak trapdoor like this. And let me place the jungle wood planks here. So it looks like a swing. If you're making any garden, you can surely use this over there. And you can even make a hot tub in which you could show that the water is boiling. So for that you can take soul sand and water and replace this with soul sand and place water upon it. So when you walk upon it, it will show that bubbles are coming out. So I hope you like this video. Please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.